Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use Zendesk Sell. Zendesk Sell is amazing CRM for maximizing your productivity, and in this video I will teach you step by step how you can use it. So the first thing you want to do is just simply click free trial here. I'm going to add a work email. Click next. Now I'm going to add a first name. And now I'm going to add a number. Next. Now company name. Number of employees, it's 1 to 9. English, and create a password. Then complete trial sign up. And let's just wait until it loads. In the moment when it's going to load, we will go together and build amazing future for ourselves. Let's just wait until it loads. Now, of course, you can skip the part of this video. Zendesk verify the email. Verify account. And here we are. So what we can actually find here, we will go step by step and I'm going to show you what we can actually do here. So when you click here, you're gonna see the dashboard. In dashboard, you would see all the important analytics and data like deals, revenue, tasks. Like in the moment when you're gonna add deals and tasks, appointments, you would find it all here. This is the My Dashboard, and then you have option to find Activity Feed. In Activity Feed, you would find your activity. You can, of course, on the right side, when you're gonna have, you can add widgets here. So as a revenue, as a forecast, new deals, tasks, appointments. So I can easily add a forecast, and it's right here. And forecast this month. Now, you can also, on the top right, I'm going to show what you can find in the top right, and then we will go step by step what you can do here, okay? Top right, you can easily find the settings here and view the profile. So edit it, a language, currency format, change the profile picture. You can easily invite people and users to your CRM in Zendesk Sell. Then you're gonna find the account that you can change the time zone, time format, currency. Then you're gonna find the sales goals. You can have for sales revenue and enable the goal. So here you can easily set the goals. So I can have, let's say for sales revenue, I can have for August filter users, and for myself, it's going to be, let's say, 10,000 euro or 100,000 euro, okay? And you can have one deals here. So this is where you can manage your sales goals in the future. Then you're gonna have data that you can import and export. But what I want to show you is also this, the customize. Right before we're gonna go and we're gonna add the contacts, leads, etc. You can simply customize the lead source here, the industry field. And you can add a choice for industries that you're gonna have. Then you're gonna have the lead status, which is new, working, unqualified, and again you can add. So when we're gonna add leads here, we can simply edit it right here, the statuses. And unqualified reason, again, I can edit it. So imagine that every choice that you have in your lead, you can edit it right here. So when we go further, you're gonna find contacts. And again, you can have the tags here that you can add and change the industry field. Then you're gonna find the prospects and customers. This is not something really important here that you can add. Then you're gonna find the deals, and you're gonna find the deal source. And where is the deal source? Then loss reason. again. So I'm not going to really like edit here everything, but I just want to show you where you can customize your deals. And also the most important thing that I want to show you is a sales pipeline. So when you're going to click sales pipelines, you're going to find the prospecting qualified quote closure. So let's say that I can add here a stage name, which is going to be presentation, right? And I can have like 10%. See? So you can edit simply the sales pipeline to whatever you want. And then you can have also option to email templates, layouts, and edit also the communication channel like email here that you can sign it with Google if you want to. So that's also pretty great what you can do. And email address, password, so you can connect it with Gmail. That's perfect, or Microsoft. So when you have it, this is pretty much like the most important thing in settings. We can go further and we can start creating leads and contacts. So when I'm going to click on lead here, this is where the fun start. You have options to import the leads, or you can find new leads. So I'm going to click find new leads. And here, wait a second. So you can find the leads or import the leads or add leads manually. So what we will do two things. I'm going to add the leads manually, then add a lead, and then we are going to also find the lead, okay? There are the two ways how we can do it. By adding a lead, I can click here and add a lead. First name, let's say this is going to be Marcus lead, and company can be, okay, the Sun. Okay, I choose this company as just like idea. Industry, again, I can choose it, right? Then I can add a tags. I can add a status if it's going to be new, working, unqualified. So it's a new. Then you have the mobile number here. You're gonna have also the source here, street, city, postal code. Then you're gonna have the status, owner, and website. Again, you're gonna have the Skype, Facebook, LinkedIn, fax number. And then you can have like company email, company address. Then what I can do, I can simply click save. So when you're gonna fill it. And voila, here we have our first lead. So I can again add a field, and I can simply add a company city, or I can have actionable. So I can add a Facebook. So in the moment, what you can do, this is pretty perfect. For your lead directly, you can add a Facebook. You can add plenty of stuff here. Now to have a reach, and I go to lead, you can simply click add here and click find new prospects. And here you're gonna find the company. So let's say I'm going to have a Zoom video communications, right? I'll click here. Then you can also on the right side find by location, descriptions, size. You can find people. And here you can have like head of sales or head of marketing. I can easily find those people. Then you can like include people in Sell, review prospects, and you can easily import them, import one person and company, right? You can import them as contacts or leads. Then I would click here, import now. And voila, this is how you can do it. And this is how you can do it all the time. So you see right here that we have the Janina, Zoom video, company, connect email or set up voice. And this is pretty much how you can add the leads. So you have two options to actually create a lead or find new prospect. So two ways how we can do it. Now, when you have the leads, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a company. So when you would click here on a contact, you can add a field, or again, I can go to top left and add a contact company. When we have the company, then we will add a person. So click on a company. Company name, let's say it's going to be Sun Company. Parent company we don't have. Email address like this. Mobile number, work number, industry, you can add this all here. Then the customer status, if it's a current customer, non-customer, prospect status, owner is me. Then you can add a website and you can add a social media. Now I'll just simply click save. So right now we have the Sun Company. What I can do is again go to top right. And simply like add a fields here that I would like to have. Now what you can do is simply also click on add and add a contact. So again, this would be a Marcus client. Company name, we can simply search, but you can create a new company, or we're gonna choose the one that we created, the Sun Company. We can add a title, tags, a mobile number, work number, email address. We can add an industry, address, customer status, prospect status, owner, and again Skype, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So then I would click save. Now I have the client and I have also the company. I can simply go to the deals now. And here you're going to find the filters that I can remove, and I can easily go to top left and create a deal. So deal name is going to be Marcus Deal, Sun Deal. Here I can add a value of euro. Let's say it's going to be 50,000. Primary contact is going to be the Marcus client. Source, let's say it's going to be word of mouth. And again, now I have options to add a stage here. So let's say there's going to be a presentation already. Win likelihood, 50. Estimate close date, 24th of 8. Now you can choose when it was added and move stage on. So I will click save here. And what we're going to find here? We find that in presentation, we already have a Marcus Sun deal, and you're always going to find total deals, total value, average value. So what you can do is just simply click on a deal and you would find all the important stuff here. The information here. Then you would find displaying tickets in support. And if you're going to have the tickets, you can easily connect the Zendesk with Zendesk Sell, Sun Company, the contacts, collaborators, upcoming appointments. If we're going to add all these tasks right now. So you can simply see how it works. Then on the top right, you can have a new message or an SMS. And you can contact the deal. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can create the deals. In the settings, I already show you how you can easily delete and change the pipeline. So when we go further, we're gonna click on the calendar. In the calendar, again, I can find everything here, what is happening. So you can have today, and you can see, you will be able to see everything in calendar. You can connect it again to Gmail, to Google Calendar. See, add a Google Calendar, you can do it here. Now when we have the calendar, we can easily add a task. And again, I can add a task. So task name is going to be, let's say, I'll call a client. And let's say there's going to be a Sun. or Marcus on deal. This is the task name for this, and due date is going to be, let's say, for tomorrow. Reminder 1 hour before. Owner, myself, add a task. And this is how we do it. And upcoming, I can see the call client. Then you would find also the overdue tasks, no due date, completed all. So that's how we do it. Now, when we go further, we can see also the communication. You can connect the email and set up the voice if you want. And you would have like 50 minutes for free to try. So that's how we can do it. And in communication, you can connect the email, as I mentioned, sign with the Google. And that's pretty much it. And now the last thing are reports. So report, you would have funnel report, sales performance, activity, sales goals. That's something that we actually created. That's, we see that we have 25%, that nearly we will be in our goal soon. Then we can have also the total sales, activity overview. So really a lot of important analytics, and you can see, you just click here and you're going to see it, what kind of reports you can have here. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can make and use Zendesk Sell. If you can have any questions, guys, regarding Zendesk Sell, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. I hope this video helped you somehow, what you can do here, how you can achieve. And this was a Zendesk Sell tutorial, Zendesk tutorial, the beginner's guide for Zendesk, how to use it. So we learned how we can do everything here. So you're ready to go, and you also see when we have it that you see the revenue goal this month, 100K. If I'm going to have a deal and I would put them that they are like finished. It's not working right now. So yeah, it's not working for some reason. I don't have internet. All right. So my internet went down right now. So this is pretty much how we can use it. And if you're gonna have the Zendesk Sell for 100%, and you would have it as it's a one deal, then you can easily use it. Now what I will do, I will simply connect on my own. So give me a second so I can like show it to you. Okay, here we are. And here we go. So I can simply click on the deals, and I can have this deal. I can edit a deal, and I can have that the stage is already won. When I go back to the deals, I can see it's closed, won. Now when I go back to dashboard, I see that my revenue goal attainment this month is 50%. That's all what we have, what we wanted to do. So this is pretty much how we can use it, and this is how we can use the Zendesk Sell. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and you have also the forecast here. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.